What's up guys, it's Hanif here. In this video I'm going to be doing something different. In this video I'm going to be editing and collaborating an image on my mobile with VSCO. What's up guys, it's Hanif here. Before we continue with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I release a new video. So in this video we are going to be doing something different. We're going to be collaborating an image, but we're going to be doing everything in VSCO. So this video is for my mobile editing users, anybody that uses mobile to edit. So yeah, let's go ahead and edit this image here. So before we start picking filters and the adjustments here, I would like you guys to check out my prints at hanif.darkroom.tech. Prints are just a way to support the channel and to keep the channel going, so I can bring out more content for you guys. Let's start with the editing process for this image. So since it's a portrait, I'm just going to choose portrait here and see if I can find anything cool here. I don't really know what to work here, but let me just adjust the exposure first. Yeah, and let's go back here. I'm just going to run through some filters here and see which could work for this image. Okay guys, I've gone through some filters and I think I'll settle with M3 for this one because I kind of like what it does here with the skin and all. So yeah, I'm just going to do extra adjustments on this image here. So go to my exposure, make it a bit brighter. Contrast, no, I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to remove some contrast a little bit and then sharpen the image, of course. Also, I'm just going to crop this image so this doesn't show. Yeah, make sure she is in the middle. Okay, I like how this is going so far. I don't know, the saturation is cool as it is. Yeah, it's good as it is. Yeah, and then the tone, let me just do this. I'm not lifting my shadows, I'm leaving it as it is. It does, yeah, the highlights. So this is before, this after. For VSCO, you hold the image to see the before and you release to see the after. So the white balance, I think it's okay as it is. Let me just play it a bit. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to increase the temperature a bit to bring out the skin tone a bit more. Just so you guys know, I don't really often do this, so I'm just really playing around mostly to see what works for it. In case anyone is curious if they can do something good with their mobile. Yeah, most of the time you can always do that. But I think we're somehow limited here, We're kind of limited here. So I think there's enough fade from the filter already. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Green for the aesthetic, but now. Okay, HSL. Let me go to my greens, reduce the saturation. I think it has already been reduced by a lot, but let me just. I think I like my greens like this. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, I like my greens as it is, and my blues, any little bit of blue that I have around here. And then yeah, I think I like it as it is. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, this looks great. I like how this is coming out. So yeah, my highlights. So I'm going to use for my highlights, or I'm going to use instead for my highlights. Reduce it by a lot. Let's see. Then my shadows. I'm just going to I'm just experiment a bit, see what works. Okay, I think this works well for this. I don't know. But I think this works well. Yeah, this looks great to me. Yeah, so like as you guys know, this is like my first time trying my professional photography on VSCO. Most times when I do VSCO, it's full static with mobile. So yeah, it's kind of like, let me reduce the exposure a bit. Yeah, okay. So alright guys, we're done editing this image in VSCO. Like just a really quick process, as you can see. So this is before and this is after, so it's just a really quick process, as you can see. So it's like not anything much, just to show you guys that you can still do something with your mobile even if you don't have a laptop here to edit on. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.